Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're unboxing a watch from this company here. I'm going to say it's pronounced Bausele. Bausele, let's go with that. I don't know what watch this is, so we'll discover what it is together here. Oh, it's a cool case. It's kind of a crush-proof, waterproof Pelican type case. I've not seen them in blue before. Usually these cases are black, so something a little bit different here. So it looks like we have a black cased metal watch on kind of like a parachute strap type strap, parachute cord. And then there's a rubber one here too as well. So let's get both of these out of here and move the box out of the way. Yeah, definitely a steel case. It's got some heft to it. Interesting crown there. Looks like it's got glass on it. Refocus. I'll look at that in a moment here. Let's get the box out of the way. Oh, okay. It's got it strapped on there. I was wondering how that was held on there. Let's set this off to the side. Zoom in a bit. There we go. So it's got a quick release pin on here, so that's nice. I really appreciate that invention. It feels like a rubber strap. I'd say probably FKM rubber. Let's see if we can focus on this crown here. Yeah, that's interesting. Not sure what that's about. We'll have to look into that, report out on that in the full video. Looks like there's some sand or something in there. Oh, I see. It's okay. It's black. I was expecting the other material to move, so the black stuff in there is moving. All right, interesting. So let's see if we can look at the case back. So it does have drilled lugs. It's a blackened case. I'm going to assume it's PVD. It could be DLC. I don't know. We'll find that out and talk about that in the next video. Kind of reminds me of the Marathon Navigator watch. See if I can pull this strap off to the side and see what's on the case back, and we'll get this on wrist and close out the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out. Let's take that plastic off. I can't really read what it says on there. Okay, so U.S. Army has a MIL number there, so perhaps this is a military watch. If found, return to the nearest military facility. Well, that's interesting. Assembled by USA veteran soldiers, 200-meter waterproof, anti-negative vibes. Well, that's nice. Okay, let me get this on wrist and we'll close out the video. I don't know, let's just leave it on this one for now. So I think you have to go like that. Maybe that. I have very little experience with these parachute straps. And there's plastic on the case as well, on the crystal as well. So let's get that off of there. Thing just sticks to my fingers. There we go. Screw down crown. And it did say on the case back 200 meters water resistance. I like this patinaed hands with the black and then the patinaed bezel. Looks good. And then there is a logo on there. It's kind of ghosted. Hopefully you can see that. The logo right up there, and then down here it says again 200 meter water resistance. Alright, here we go. Let's put it on wrist. I'm sure I'll probably have to adjust this strap to tighten it up a little bit. Yeah, these are a little tricky to get on wrist. Hope we don't mess up that. There we go. So yeah, I'll have to snug it down a little bit for the full video. Looks good with the green and black. Definitely looks like a military watch. Then there's that black strap, black rubber strap. Alright, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.